Okay, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your old buddy Wade Squatchmann. I got something to show y'all. I'm back here on the trail towards the head. Haven't been back here in a while. I'm really upset. I got something to show y'all. This is where the nursery is. But the reason why I gotta talk loud, you hear that noise? You hear what's going on? So I'm putting this video on tonight. A little distraction to show y'all what the hell's going on. What's going on is that way. So let's go see how close we can get to what's going on. To tell you all the truth, they're bulldozing the woods back here. And I'm not happy about it. They're destroying the woods. So I hope y'all recognize this. This is the gifting tree and all. So, oh man. Man, they sound like they're going farther and farther back. Whoa. I'm so upset. I'm almost tripping on trees and stuff, so. I'm not even looking at what's going on around me. All I know is I'm hearing things. A lot of new activity back here. I can't even talk. I'm upset. That's how bad it is. So I'm gonna put this video on tonight to show y'all, to show you where I'm at. We're near the deer hunting stand. Tree stands right there. Then you got this tree right here, which they pushed over right by the deer stand. But you can hear the noise. You hear the sound of the bulldozer pushing the trees over? So, you know, I've heard crying lately. Babies crying back here, so I'm gonna keep walking until I see what I see. Man, that's a big machine. A lot of things going on. I'm not even paying attention to what I'm seeing. All I know is they're tearing things up. Spider webs everywhere. A lot of activity going on back here. But as I'm walking, you're seeing things. Spider webs on my phone. Whoa. They've been really busy back in here. The Squatches have. Goes up, goes down. A lot of activity. Oh man. I'm so sorry to y'all for showing you this and telling you. Look at that. Goes up, goes down. It's really big. All right, let's go. Close as I can get to it without them seeing me. Right straight. You hear that machine? You hear what it's doing? Sawing, pushing stuff over, destroying Sasquatch land. So right straight through there, y'all. Right in there. You hear it? You hear the trees coming down. You can see the smoke. Oh, man. Absolutely sickening. Breaks my heart. So what I'm gonna do when I finish videotaping this, I'm gonna head home and put this on. I don't even want to walk through here. So much activity back in here. Goes up, goes down. I really hope I can't get through there. I'm not gonna try. I'm just letting y'all know. They're tearing things up, so let's head on back. It's too depressing for me, y'all. My heart is broken for the big people. There's so much Sasquatch activity back here. Oh man, nothing I can do. I'm sorry. Nothing I can do. I'll get back to putting videos on from Greenwell, but in a little while I'm gonna go ahead and put this video on to show y'all. Look at that, y'all. Sasquatch activity all through in there. Listen to that, how loud that is. I really hope them bastards are happy. God bless. All right, y'all. Let's head on out of here. I'll keep filming until I get out of here. I really hope I run into one of the big people. I'm so sorry to them for what's going on. I really am. I really am sorry. So much evidence back in here. And just think, just the other night I heard babies crying in my woods, back in here. So, what's the best thing to do? Just gonna have to be better, not bitter. Oh my goodness. So much stuff going on. So much activity. Goes up, goes down. Oh man. I'm so sorry, y'all. There's nothing I can do. It's gonna take me about 10 minutes to get home. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put this video on today so people can start seeing what's going on and why I'm protective of the woods and all that. Goes up, snap, crackle, pop, goes down. We're gonna head on home, y'all. I'm sorry. Broken branch right up there, goes up, goes down. Oh, boy. Oh, man. Oh. Man, a lot of new trees back here down. They've been busy back in here. A lot of spider webs. Oh man. There's the blue ball tree right there. Look at that, y'all, in my woods. All right, look, I've had it. I'm gonna turn my phone off, turn the camera off. I'll put this on when I get home. That's been there for a while, goes up, goes down. You know what? I bet they're stirred up back here. I bet they really are. Look, there's mud on the ground, but no footprints. Oh, Lord. All right, y'all. Let's head on back. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your old buddy Wade Squatchmann. I'm going to head on out of here. Head on back. All right, I'll see you on the next video. I just wanted to show you what's going on in my woods. How depressing. They're destroying the Sasquatch area. All right, ladies and gentlemen, keep on squatching, keep on rocking in the free world. It's been amazing. Not today, but just letting y'all know. All right, we are out.